There is something magical about wooden decor, the way a simple piece of timber can be shaped into an object that transforms a room, enriches a home, and brings a sense of warmth no other material can offer. But beyond beauty, wooden decor holds another type of value that many people overlook. These pieces have become some of the fastest-selling, most profitable creations in today's home design market. As more homeowners move toward natural, minimalist, and sustainable aesthetics, handcrafted wood items continue to rise in demand, selling quickly and consistently. This video brings you a collection of high-demand wooden decor projects that blend creativity with strong selling potential. These are the kinds of pieces that catch attention instantly, influence buyers emotionally, and fit into nearly every type of modern interior. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or someone exploring the craft for income, each image you'll see offers an idea that can inspire your next successful creation. From floating shelves to sculpted wall art, from elegant candle holders to modern planter stands, every idea in this video has two missions: to beautify a home and to help you increase your income through the power of design. The appeal of high-demand wood decor lies in its ability to elevate a home without overwhelming it. Even the smallest wooden accent can shape the atmosphere of a room, giving it more personality, warmth, and refinement. Because of this, well-designed decor pieces consistently attract buyers who want style that feels natural, meaningful, and unique. One of the most profitable categories in today's market is the floating wall shelf. Homeowners love them because they blend function and beauty effortlessly. A good floating shelf does more than hold items, it becomes part of the architecture. Clean lines, smooth finishes, and modern simplicity make these shelves ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, or home offices. They require minimal material and moderate skill, yet they can be sold at excellent prices. Buyers choose them because they make decorating easy, and creators love them because they provide quick returns and endless design variations. Another best-selling category is geometric wall decor. Triangles, hexagons, circles, and layered shapes add visual movement to blank walls. These pieces combine artisanal craftsmanship with artistic expression, offering customers something they cannot find in mass-produced decor. Whether the design is bold and sculptural or delicate and minimal, geometric wood art draws attention immediately. Many buyers are drawn to these pieces because they feel handmade, personal, and artistic qualities that factory-made decor often lacks. Wooden candle holders continue to be popular, especially in modern minimalist interiors. Their charm lies in simplicity: a precisely carved block, a smooth cylindrical form, or a set of small stands arranged symmetrically. These pieces instantly add softness and atmosphere to any room. They are inexpensive to make, but their emotional value is extremely high. People buy them not only for decoration but also for calmness, ambience, and relaxation. With small variations in shape and finish, you can create collections that sell quickly in stores or online. One trend that has grown dramatically in recent years is wooden decor for plants. Multi-tier plant stands, vertical garden frames, and small pot risers are in constant demand. Many homes today have limited space, so compact plant decor helps people display greenery beautifully without overcrowding a room. Wood is the perfect companion for plants because it enhances the natural feeling buyers want. These pieces also have excellent profit margins because even simple designs add great value to a home. Functional decor pieces, such as key holders, entryway organizers, and hanging racks, also rank high in sales. They combine practicality with style, making them extremely attractive to customers who want a clean, organized home. A wooden key holder with brass hooks, a small shelf for mail, or an elegant coat rack becomes part of the daily routine in a home, and anything used every day is worth investing in. These pieces require minimal materials and can be produced in sets, making them ideal for steady income. Wooden trays and serving boards also continue to be popular among buyers seeking unique kitchen decor. Whether rectangular, round, or live edge, a beautifully designed tray adds luxury to dining and entertaining. Their natural grain patterns make every piece one of a kind, and they photograph beautifully, which helps them sell even faster in online stores. Another strong category is carved wall panels. These pieces bring luxury to a space through texture, depth, and artistry. Carved wood panels create stunning visual effects when light moves across their surface, giving rooms a refined, gallery-like feel. These projects require more patience and attention to detail, but they often sell at premium prices because they look like high-end art. Finally, wooden lamps and lighting decor have seen an increase in demand due to the popularity of warm, cozy interior atmospheres. Lighting plays a huge role in interior design, and wood enhances it with character and natural charm. Whether it's a small bedside lamp, a modern pendant frame, or a sculptural LED base, wooden lighting pieces attract buyers looking for unique and meaningful decor. Every category in this video has one thing in common. Buyers want pieces that feel natural, handmade, timeless, and personal. Wood decor delivers exactly that, making it a reliable source of income for creators who understand the market. When you look at today's home decor trends, one thing becomes immediately clear: people want pieces that feel personal, handcrafted, and filled with character. This rising demand has opened a powerful opportunity for woodworkers who can transform simple lumber into high-value decor items buyers are eager to pay more for. Whether you're working from a small home workshop or a growing studio, the right decor projects can bring in steady income, build your reputation, and help your craft stand out in a crowded market. The most profitable wood decor items right now are those that blend beauty, function, and a warm natural aesthetic. Floating wall shelves, minimalist wooden frames, handcrafted wall art, decorative trays, candle stands, plant holders, and geometric accent pieces are among the top sellers in both local markets and online shops. They're easy to customize, quick to build, and versatile enough to fit into a wide range of interior styles, from modern Scandinavian to rustic farmhouse. Another powerful advantage of wood decor projects is their ability to be made from offcuts and leftover pieces. Even small scraps can become mini shelves, coasters, carved decor blocks, or layered wall art, turning what would normally be wasted into profitable inventory. Buyers love unique, handmade pieces, and your shop benefits from lower material costs and higher margins. Personalization also plays a big role in sales. Adding initials, engraved quotes, custom patterns, or special finishes can instantly raise the perceived value. People love owning something that feels specially made for them, and they're often willing to pay premium prices for it. With creativity, consistency, and smart design choices, these high-demand wood decor projects can become the backbone of your woodworking income. Each piece you craft not only beautifies someone's home but also strengthens your brand and brings you closer to financial growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through beautiful and profitable wood decor ideas. Each piece you've seen can be more than decor; it can become a product that strengthens your craft, your creativity, and your income. If this video inspired you, imagine what you could create next. Imagine the homes your work will decorate, the satisfaction your craftsmanship will bring to others, and the small successes that grow with every piece you complete. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.